In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a page in Confluence. First, open Confluence and select the right space. Think of a space as the home for a team or project. Choosing the correct space at the start keeps your work organized, makes it easier for colleagues to find, and ensures the page inherits the right settings. If your organization uses multiple spaces, use the sidebar or search to land in the one that matches your project or team. With the correct space open, click Create. This opens the page editor where you'll write and format your content. You'll see a clean canvas and a toolbar with formatting options along the top. Next, choose whether to start from a blank page or a page template. A blank page gives you full control over structure and style. Templates are great when you're following a common pattern like meeting notes, project plans, or how-to guides because they come pre-structured to save time and keep things consistent. Add a useful page title. Make it specific and searchable so others can instantly understand what your page is about. Instead of something vague, aim for a clear, action-oriented title that reflects the content and purpose. Including a keyword that your team uses often can make the page easier to find later. Set up the page structure with headings. Break your content into logical sections, using headings for main topics and subheadings for details. A strong hierarchy makes the page scannable and helps readers jump to what they need. This structure also works well with Confluence features that surface your headings, improving readability and navigation. Now add your content. Write your core text in short, clear paragraphs. Use tables to organize comparisons, timelines, or responsibilities. Insert links to related Confluence pages or trusted external resources to provide context without clutter. Attach files that readers might need, like reference documents or images, so everything stays in one place. If your team uses macros, this is a good time to enhance the page with elements like a status indicator, a panel for key highlights, or a table of contents that reflects your headings. Keep the layout clean and consistent so the page is easy to read. When you're ready, publish the page. After publishing, confirm it appears in the page tree of the space you selected. You should see your new title listed alongside other pages showing that it's now part of your team's knowledge base. And that's it. Your Confluence page is created, structured, enriched with content, and live for your team to use.